Hello everyone, in this video we would like to show you how to use the Multi Discord channel to stay in contact with all your Multi friends from all over the world. So on the left side you see the Multi Oberhausen symbol, please click on that. And on the right side you can see all the people that are inside this chat. The red people are the Multi team members. So you can see who is offline and online. Then on the left side you see the channels. There is text channels, for example Multi-Informs. There you will see all the news that the multi-team posts there. And there's the multi-chat where everyone can chat together. So you can write whatever you want and stay in touch with all the other people. Just do whatever you like. Then on the left side there's also the voice chats. For example, the Welcome Multifamily chat. This is the one that we will use on the very first day, for example. So if you click on it, you're inside the chat, and if you click on it another time, you can see this view with your camera. Please turn on your camera. You can turn on your microphone off as well, and your audio, just like that. And there below you see all the multi-chats, so you will be matched in a group, and then you can pick your group, for example the Spotted Seahorse group. If you click on it, you're inside the Spotted Seahorse chat. If you click another time, then you can again turn your video on, and at the same time you can also use the text channel. So if you want to play a game, for example, you can put the link inside the chat and everyone can see it and use it. And of course you stay inside the voice chat at the same time all the time. So as you can see, there's a lot of chats because we have a lot of groups. So if you don't want to see all the chats anymore, you can just click on the symbol with the little arrow, and then you have a better view over everything. And yeah, so I hope you enjoyed the video and now you know how to use it, and have fun.